6 Herbal Remedies for Pain Relief. Herbal medicine provides alternatives to drugs for pain management. Herbal remedies are being found to lower pain levels and decrease inflammation. This finding is most welcome, considering the potential side effects of many pharmaceutical painkillers. However, just like traditional pain relievers, herbal remedies also have their downsides. These include unwanted side effects like allergic reactions and possible complications with other substances and medicines. Searching the internet, you are bound to find many herbal remedy treatments. It is important to take all of this information with a grain of salt. What may work for some, may not work for others. Before taking anyone's word for it, be sure to do your own research and consult your healthcare professional. That disclaimer delivered, here are some popular, recommended herbal medicines. Before going into the video, discover the forgotten power of plants, the Home Remedies Handbook. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. It includes recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that all of our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 high-definition, color pictures for each plant, and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So make sure to check the first link in our description to get the book. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Wintergreen Essential Oil. A natural pain reliever used in muscle ache creams. 2. Capsaicin, also sold as capsicum. Found in hot chili peppers, this natural remedy temporarily desensitizes nerve responders which cause the pain response. It shows promise in reducing back pain and fibromyalgia when applied to the skin, and can provide relief for migraines and cluster headaches. 3. Ginger is one of the most popular herbal remedies. Its antioxidants can help with joint and muscle pain with very few side effects when taken in small doses. 4. Feverfew is an herbal remedy with many different uses, including treating headaches, migraines, rheumatoid arthritis, stomachaches, and toothaches. Slight side effects include canker sores and irritation of the tongue and lips. Pregnant women should not use this herbal remedy. 5. Cranberry juice is considered a great pain reliever for ulcerative colitis. Cranberry juice can kill the pain-causing pathogens that attack the lining of your stomach and small intestines. 6. Devil's Claw. Don't let the name fool you. It is a blessing in disguise for people with heartburn and liver problems. It can also reduce pain from conditions like arthritis, headaches, and lower back pain. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.